Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones with a special focus on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This new drone is generating a lot of buzz with leaks popping up left and right. Just when everyone thought its launch was near, a fresh twist from a trusted leaker, Hakushi, has stirred the pot. Hakushi, known for accurate scoops on DJI products, has some groundbreaking features to share about the Mavic 4 Pro. From internal electronic ND filters to dual native ISO, these features might just shake up the drone world. Stay tuned as we unpack the rumored specs and see what makes the DJI Mavic 4 Pro a potential game-changer. Let's talk about the leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. One of the most trusted sources, Hakushi, known for accurate information on previous DJI products, has shared some intriguing details. According to him, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to include some groundbreaking features that could revolutionize the drone industry. Among these features are an internal electronic ND filter and dual native ISO, which could place this drone in a league of its own. These are just a few of the many exciting possibilities that have drone enthusiasts buzzing. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to come with some impressive imaging specs. It is expected to feature a 100 mpm 43 sensor, which promises high-resolution images with incredible detail. This sensor is paired with a 28mm lens that has an adjustable aperture range from f/2 to f/11. This allows creators more control over the depth of field and exposure. A standout feature is the Stepless electronic ND filter, which ranges from ND4 to ND64, offering smooth and precise control over light exposure. Additionally, the drone is said to have dual native ISO levels at 400 and 1600, specifically optimized for log profiles, providing a dynamic range of 14 stops. Another exciting aspect is the Hasselblad 10-point Starburst effect, which could be a big step beyond Hasselblad's iconic 8-point Starburst. Now, let's dive into the video capabilities of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is rumored to deliver 6K HDR footage at 60 frames per second, ensuring stunning video quality with rich detail and vibrant colors. For those who love capturing slow-motion shots, the Mavic 4 Pro also supports 4K recording at 120 frames per second. These capabilities make it a versatile tool for both cinematic creators and content professionals looking for flexibility in post-production. Moving on to the flight and hardware specs, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with a 95.3 Wh battery, offering an impressive 52 minutes of flight time. This means more time in the air to capture the perfect shot. The drone also features a 240W charger for quick recharging, minimizing downtime. Additionally, the O4 video transmission system boasts a range of up to 40 kilometers, or approximately 25 miles, ensuring reliable communication over long distances. Despite its advanced features, the Mavic 4 Pro is surprisingly portable, weighing in at around 1045 grams. When it comes to practicality, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro has some impressive features. An optical zoom lens and dual native ISO make it a versatile tool for various shooting conditions. This drone could genuinely rival the Inspire 3, especially for professional creators. While the Inspire 3 has the edge with interchangeable lenses for specialized work, the Mavic 4 Pro, as an all-in-one solution, sounds like a game-changer. If DJI has managed to enhance Hasselblad's signature look with a 10-point Starburst effect while maintaining their legendary image quality, this could be a significant leap in drone camera technology. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is packed with features that set it apart in the world of drones. From its high-resolution camera and advanced video capabilities to its extended battery life and long-range transmission, this drone has it all. We're looking at a potential game-changer in drone camera tech. So, what's your take? Do these leaks feel legit, or is this just a drone fanatic's wish list? Let's hash it out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest tech.